Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by tuning in physically and mentally, so listen with intent for the first moments. Once done, ask one precise open question to uncover purpose and avoid assumptions. Make sure to mirror a phrase or two back. This confirms you heard correctly and slows the pace so both can think. Why this matters: early clarity prevents wasted effort and reduces tension. Practice this routinely, and you'll see responses become more cooperative and concise. Keep it active each conversation. You now shape what you say. Start with a single clear headline or request so the listener has a focal point. Then provide 2 or 3 short reasons or concrete examples. Use numbers to make comparisons easy to grasp. Once presented, pause and invite the other person to summarize or state the next step. This checks understanding and prevents follow-up confusion. Transition phrases like "in short" or "the main point" help. Make sure your tone matches the importance so the structure lands. You close by locking in commitments. State who will do what and by when, including any numbers or dollar amounts to avoid ambiguity. Once done, deliver one sentence recap aloud and schedule the next check-in so momentum continues. If you notice pushback or confusion, pause immediately, restate your intent succinctly, and offer a concrete alternative. This redirects friction into options. Make sure to adapt language and timing based on feedback, because flexibility turns good communication into reliable outcomes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.